Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 14 of the practice final. Graph the solution to the following inequality on the number line. X plus 2 times x minus 3 is more than or equal to 0. First, we will set this to 0 and then we'll find out the two numbers. So, x plus 2 times x minus 3 equal to 0 gives x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to negative 2 or x equal to 3. So we are going to place these two numbers on the number line. So we'll place these two numbers on the number line. It's negative 2 as a solid dot and positive 3 also as a solid dot. The reason we make it as solid dots, we have the inequality greater than or equal to 0. So when it says greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, when the equal to sign is included, we will make them solid dots on the number line. Then we are going to divide the number line into three parts. One is negative infinity to negative 2, negative 2 to 3, then 3 through infinity. Then we'll create a table as follows. One line for each region of interval, negative infinity to negative 2, negative 2 to 3, and then 3 through infinity. Then we'll pick a test point in each one of these subintervals. So any point to the left of negative 2, I picked negative 3 as the test point. Same way, between a number between negative 2 and 3, 0 is chosen. A number to the right of 3 or between 3 and infinity, it's 4 is chosen. Now, we have to make sure that the given inequality is x plus 2 times x plus 3, x minus 3 more than or equal to 0. So, we'll create a table for column for x plus 2 and a column for x minus 3. Then we'll plug in the test points into x in these two columns. And then we'll find out the product of x plus 2 and x plus 3 and see whether it is more than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0. So I'm going to plug in the first test point, which is negative 3. So negative 3 plus 2 will give me negative 1. Then negative 3 will give me negative 6. So if we multiply the two columns, you get negative times negative 1 times negative 6, which will be positive 6, which is more than or equal to 0. So the inequality is satisfied. So this negative infinity to negative 2 will be part of the solution set. Then we'll do the same thing for the test point 0. Plug in into x plus 2, we get 0 plus 2, which is equal to positive 2. 0 minus 3, which is negative 3. Then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So it will be no, it is not more than or equal to 0. We'll say is yes, it's only if it is more than or equal to 0. That's what the inequality is telling us. Then take the test point 4 and then do the same thing. If you plug in into x plus 2, you get positive 6. If you plug in into x minus 3, you get positive 1. Positive 6 times positive 1 is positive. So it is an S. So we can conclude that 3 through infinity is also a part of the solution set, but negative 2 to 3 is not part of the solution set. As the question is graphing, so we are going to shade the part corresponding to negative infinity to negative 2, starting at negative 2, and then 3 through infinity. So in case the problem had asked you to write the solution set as an interval form, the answer would have been negative infinity to negative 2, union 2, box the 2, negative 2 because it's part of the solution set, then 3 through infinity. But in this problem, they ask you to graph it, so you can just do it on the number line. You don't have to do interval form, it's just an extra information. Hope this video